Okay, the next presenter is, I would like to invite Ibu Mirza Ananda from Batari Tours. She is the CEO of Batari Tours. Batari Tours is an established tour and travel agent from Solo City in central Java. Batari Tours has 3 branches located in Solo, Boyolali, and Makassar, South Sulawesi. Batari has known for its magnificent inbound and outbound tour providers since 2009. Batari can provide your tour requirements in Indonesia, especially in Java, Bali, and Sulawesi. Ibu Mirza, time is yours, please.
Thank you. Let me introduce myself first. I'm Mirza Ananda from Batari Tour. Next, please. Well, Batari Tours has performed its service to more than thousands of tourists from domestic and international visitors. We arrange tours of Java Island, Bali, Sulawesi, and mostly all of part of Indonesia. However, our main base is located in Solo City, central of Java. Solo is home of the spirit, heritage, tradition of Javanese culture. There are a lot of beautiful tourism destinations in Solo Raya and surroundings, which are rich of natural, beautiful landscapes, culture, traditions, superb culinary. Solo is famous of its best culinaries and gastronomic tourism, and of course the magnificence of Borobudur Temple that can be reached by only in 1.5 hours from Solo. Not to forget to mention that Solo is also a hometown of our former President Suharto and the current President Joko Widodo. So please do not hesitate to send me your request to any part of Indonesia. We will accommodate you and your guests with the best service at the best price. If you after for a full package to explore Indonesia, we already attached today. Later we will show you one of the example package like 10 days Java and Bali. But if you look for a specific place such as Central Java only, Jogja only, Bali, etc., we can also arrange. And then for your information as well, there are a lot of direct flights to Solo from Jakarta and Denpasar, which is only 1 hour flight. And to Solo City again, we will open the Malaysian Airlines flying next September.
Okay.
This direct flight from Kuala Lumpur for only 2 hours. And then Yogyakarta also have direct flight from Singapore as well as Malaysia. That only take like 2 hours away from Solo. Next, please. This kind of overall crew we can describe. And next, please. This is our service in Indonesia. Domestic and international flight ticketing, domestic international hotel reservation, as well as domestic international package tours, car rentals, and coach buses, travel and visa document. Next, please. Our island partner. Next, please. And these are our fleets. We have our own cars, car rentals, coaches, buses. We can also provide to your needs. Next, please. We, as mentioned before, we have 3 branches in Indonesia, 2 in central of Java, 1 in Solo, 1 in Boyolali, and 1 in Makassar in South Sulawesi. And this may be one of our examples, but later on we will follow up to all of the buyers here by emails. We will send you all of our packages, but this is only one of example, like 10 days when you arrive in Jakarta and then ending up in Bali, and you also, for example, like for day one, you arrive in Jakarta, we will deliver a Jakarta city tours, and we will go to Semarang on the second day by land, which takes about 6 hours driving by highway. And then we will straight go to Magelang, which we are located now. we will stay in Magelang area for a Borobudur tour of the next day, for the third day. And then the fourth day, we will depart to Yogyakarta, and we can have some lava tours in Yogyakarta. And the next day, we will go to Solo, our base city in Solo. Then straight to East Java, Malang, and Bromo Semeru tour on the next day. And next, please. And the seventh day, we can go to Bali, also by land. By ferry, it takes about 6 hours in total to get there. We will give you a free leisure time as well on the 8th day, and then Ubud tour. And the third, on the last day, we can arrange you a open Joe flight, or maybe we can fly you back to Jakarta to catch your flight back to your hometown. And then, so yes, please send us your tour requests or drop us email so we can send you all of our packages. Thank you.
Okay, great, Mirza. You mentioned that you have 3 branches located in Central Java. One of them is in Boyolali.
Yeah.
Is there any particular nice place or nice attraction that you can mention about Boyolali? Please tell us.
Well, nowadays Boyolali has a lot of improved tour objects. We have what we call is Solo's Kintamani is located in Boyolali in Solo, which is only about 30 kilometers from Solo. We can reach by 1 hour by car, and we can have beautiful sceneries there, as well as we have like a water park, new established in just last year.
Okay.
Yeah, called Oase. Maybe the offline buyer here also will get there by tomorrow.
Okay.
I heard of.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mirza.
Thank you.
So,
yeah, you have a good evening.
yeah, thank you. The next presentation I would like to invite from Sense Tour, I believe.
Sense Group.
Oh, Sense Group.
Hotel
Yes.
Group. Yeah.
Hotel Group.
Yeah, Sense Hotel
All right.
Group.
What's your name, please?
Arista.
Arista. Okay. Arista, would you please present your presentation?
Thank you, sir. My name is Arista Nariswari. I will represent the Sense Hotel Group. We have 3 hotels located in Bali. Yeah. The first one is Sense Sunset, located in Jalan Sunset Road. Is it the main road? So it would be good to bring the big bus. We have a large of park here, so can park around 6 bus. Now this is our meeting room. The capacity is 200 person for theater, and this is our restaurant. Capacity is 115 pax. And this is our lounge. So it is connecting to our reception, and this is our pool. Actually, not all of the room has a balcony. This is our gym. We are a 4-star hotels. This is our reading category. It's a superior room. The size is 21 meter squares, and the second is deluxe room, is 25 meter square. The total room is 157 rooms. This is our grand deluxe. Have a direct access to the pool. And the last is our suite room, 48 meter squares with 5 rooms. Then we move to Saint Seminyak. Saint Seminyak has a prime location. We are close to the beach, only 1 minute by walking to Pantai Peti Tengah Beach. This is our restaurant. We serve local Asian and Western. And this is our pool. We have a 2 pool access room. This is the leading category, the deluxe room. The size is 25 meter square with 25 rooms. The total room is 70 rooms. This is the second deluxe balcony, and this is our deluxe pool access, 27 meter square. And the last is the honeymoon suite, 41 meter square with 5 rooms. And then we move to Canggu, Sense Canggu Beach. It is also located close to the beach in Pererenan Beach. The ambience is still a nature because we have a rice field view. This is our pool. We have the facilities. We have a spa. And then the breakfast is a la carte because we only have 38 rooms with 3 floors. This is the leading category is suite garden view. Actually, the name of the room is represent the view and the access. This is our suite pool view. The size is 40 meters squares. Suite lagoon access. And then we move to Suite Lagoon Honeymoon. The difference is Suite Lagoon Honeymoon has a bathtub inside, and the penthouse is the last. Actually, the bathtub exists in the balcony with jacuzzi. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Arista, from the Sense Group.
Yes.
May leave the stage, please?
Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you. Next, I would like to invite Tian Toro, the Assistant Sales Manager of Art Hotel Suites, Bianti Yogyakarta. Art Hotel Suites. Bianti Yogyakarta is a 5-star lifestyle hotel with 141 art-infused rooms, curated F&B options available day to night, with a prime location in Yogyakarta city center. So, Tian Toro, I would like to start to present your presentation, please. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we have a video. So first I want to present that our video from Art Hotel Suites Bianti Yogyakarta. Could you please show our presentation in PDF? Okay, next. Art Hotel Suite Bianti, located in Jalan Urip Sumoharjo. We have 100.141 rooms that we have 4 types. The first type, the lowest type, is an art studio. Next. Second type is a executive room. Next. We have 3 of a suite room. Next. And we have next. And we have 1 presidential suite. Next. This is my lobby located in city center. Next. This is our gym. Next. This is our swimming pool. This is our small meeting room. And this is our ballroom. This is Vanilla Sky Lounge, and this is our restaurant. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, Tian Toro, thank you so much for your presentation.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Citra Gilang Tour and Travel. May I have your name? Okay, Ms. Nata, please present your presentation.
Okay, thank you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nata. I'm from Citra Gilang Tour. We are from Semarang, Central Java. Central Java was one of the most prettiest province in Indonesia. There is a lot of destination to attend with the best panorama view, fun activities, and beautiful culture. And Central Java was the perfect place to leave the hustle and bustle of the inner city behind and to enjoy the day. Next, please. In Central Java, we had Joglo Semar, which is the area where the destination was provided to visit and enjoy the trip with a lot of choices. Next. Whether you are coming from abroad or you are an Indonesian, traveling to Joglo Semar is the right choices to learn and more about Indonesian culture, delicacies, and nonetheless the people. It is a good way to spend a holiday with your family, friends, and also yourself. The accessibility in Joglo Semar has a lot of options to take. You can come by using private transportation, by plane, by ferry or train, and there is a lot of access everywhere you were landed in Central Java, so no need to worry about the accessibility and the direction. In Joglo Semar, we have some affordable tourist attractions such as culture, nature, man-made, and mice. And the culture in every city is different. That is what it makes so cool to learn. And there is a traditional such as traditional dance, gamelan, karawitan, and traditional games. And also there is a temple, keraton, and many more. For the nature, we have a lot of mountain view, hiking trip, beautiful countryside, lake, beach, activity, and also tourism village. For the man-made, we have batik, handmade souvenir, and a lot of excellent event to fill your knowledge. Next, please. Citra Gilang Tour has service, and we serve transportation service, accommodation, conference and event service such as MICE, culture and attraction service, and also the other tourist needs or wants to take. Next, please. And Citra Gilang Tour ready to prepare accommodation service as homestay, budget hotels, comfort and luxury hotels, resorts and villas, and also camping and glamping areas. In Central Java, we have a lot of culture and attraction service. You can come to Borobudur Temple, you can come to Keraton Solo, or you can come to Lawang Sewu in Semarang, and also we have a mixed culture from Chinese and Javanese. You can come to Sampokong. And also in Bali, we have a mixed culture from Javanese people that stay in Bali, and there is a mixed culture that you can come to Pura Pamacekan, that is an ancestor of Balinese temples. In Central Java, you can do some activity in nature such as paralayang, rafting, or jeep tour. Nah, in Central Java, you can also join and do the Ancient Bodies Trail. It first start in Mendu Temple, and the second temple is in Pawon Temple, and the last temple in Borobudur. And this is some examples of our package. You can take a back to nature package, which is you can go to Sikunir in Dieng or other mountain or hills, and you can go to fishing in Karimun Jawa, or you can go to snorkel and diving in Karimun Jawa also. And for surfing and caving, we can go to Manganti Beach, and in the south of Central Java side, there is a lot of cave you can to explore, and we can go to Magelang, that walk around the city, that we call it Naval Fun Java. And the last package, we have a honeymoon package. If you want to go to Indonesia or Central Java, we have a lot of choices cities to come. You can go to Semarang and Magelang, Jogja, and go to Bali. Thank you, that's for us.
Oh, thank you, Nata. I believe that you have been explaining all the culture and attraction of Central Java, especially Joglo Semar. Thank you so much for your attention. Next, I would like to invite Ms. Junita Wulandari. Yes, please. Director of Sales and Marketing from El Hotel Royal Yogyakarta Malioboro. El Hotel Royal Yogyakarta Malioboro is a 4-star hotel strategically located in Malioboro area, where the major tourist destination in Yogyakarta. It's only a minute walk to explore Jalan Malioboro. Hotel with 166 rooms, 10 meeting rooms, and 1 ballroom can accommodate for leisure and business travelers.
Thank you,
Ms.
Pak
Yunita,
Bondan.
please.
Yes, thank you. We would like to present our video company profile, please. Okay, thank you. And then we will present our presentation. Okay. El Hotel Royal Yogyakarta, located in Malioboro, in the city center. El Hotel Royal Yogyakarta is a 4-star, newly hotel, which established in 2019. Located in Malioboro area, which is in Jalan Dagen. The Malioboro Street can be reached only by walking. And then we have 166 guest room, and also we have a big ballroom capacity up to 840. And next, please. Okay. Our first room type category, superior room. The size is 21 square meter. We have 104 rooms. Next are deluxe room. This is 25 square meter. We have 46 rooms. Next are deluxe premier rooms. We have 10 rooms for the deluxe premier. And then next are suite rooms. We have 4 rooms. And the next deluxe suite. We have 16 rooms for this category. And then the executive suite rooms, we have two rooms for this category. Okay, and then next, this is our lobby at the first floor. Okay, next, this is our Prambanan restaurant. The capacity can up to 250 persons. This is the Barong Lounge, which located in first floor. And then next, this is our semi-indoor swimming pool and also the gym, located also the same location with the lobby. And then next, this is our ballroom and meeting rooms. Please, next. This is our Borobudur ballroom, which can capacity up to 800 person. And then this is Sambisari. Next, this is we have so many type of meeting rooms, up to 10 meeting rooms. You can accommodate from 5 person up to 800. Next. Okay, and next. Okay, we also can provide wedding for private wedding or also the big wedding. Okay, next. Okay, so the Yogyakarta interesting place near the hotel is Malioboro, Tugu, and Keraton Yogyakarta. Okay, and the next. Okay, we also still comply the health protocol. We still okay, and then next. Okay, this is hotel maps. So for the further information, you can contact. Our contact is available at the description, ya Pak ya?
Yes, at the
yes,
description.
yes. You can contact me by WhatsApp or by email. Okay, thank you, Pak Bunda.
Okay, Yunita. Only one thing that interested to me, that's your hotel has an indoor swimming pool.
Yes.
Is it correct that your hotel, the only hotel that who has the indoor swimming pool in Yogyakarta?
Yeah, actually in the Malioboro area, ya Pak ya.
All right.
Indoor swimming pool.
Okay. Thank you, Yunita,
Thank you,
for
Pak
your
Bondan.
presentation.
Okay.
It's very nice.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Next, I would like to invite Roshad. Yes?
Yes.
Are you? What's your name?
Jajang Hidayat.
Oh, sorry. Instead of Mr. Roshad, it's Janjang Hidayat from Prince Sewu Restaurant Group. Prince Sewu Group is a restaurant group that always put customers first for consumption that is halal, delicious, highly nutritious, hygienic, and safe for health. So, would you please start with your presentation? Dekat mic. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bondan.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm glad to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jajang Hidayat. I'm from Prince Sewu Restaurant Group. Prince Sewu Restaurant Group is a company group with branches in West Java, Central Java, Yogyakarta, and East Java. We are ready to serve all customers with quality product, delicious, hygienic, halal, and safe for health. A beautiful, clean, and comfortable place is an additional attraction for you to come to our restaurant. Our restaurant brands are three type of location. The first is in the rest area of the Trans Java Toll Road. And the second in the city, such as Jogja, Semarang, Cirebon, Purwokerto, and Pangandaran. And the last in the tourist destination, like in Pangandaran Beach, Baturaden, Purwokerto, and Purbayasa Aquarium in Purbalingga. And in the screen, this is map our brands in the toll road Trans Java and other in city of Java Island. And next, this is our brand, Restoran Prince Sewu, mie Pasar Baru, and mie Pasar Baru in red. And next, And this concept our brands in the city, the example from brands of Pringsewu Yogyakarta, and the next. And this is concept our brands in the mall. And this is concept brands in rest area in the toll road. And this is concept our brands in destination tourists. And next, concept our brands in passing guests. And this is in the beach, Pangandaran Beach. I think enough, Mr. Bondan. For more information, you can click our website in www.pringsewuresto.com, and you can follow our social media in resto_Pringsewu in Instagram and Restoran Taman Pringsewu in Facebook.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Jajang. Pringsewu Resto is a restaurant chain, especially in Java. Actually, how many restaurants do you have in Java? In total?
In total, I think 30.
It's about 30. All right. Thank you, Mr. Jajang, for your presentation. It's very nice to see you.
Okay, thank you.
Next, I would like to invite Ms. Fiena de Amara, Director of Sales, Grand Zuri Hotel Malioboro, Yogyakarta. It's a 4-star hotel, perfectly located in the heart of Yogyakarta's, designed for both business and leisure travelers, Grand Zuri Malioboro. Please, Ms. Fiena, your presentation, please.
Thank you, Mr. Bondan. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please introduce myself. I'm Vina from Grand Zuri Malioboro, Yogyakarta, 4-star hotel in the Malioboro. Please, would to like to play video our hotel. Okay, wait a moment. Thank you. And the next presentation. Okay, the located is Grand Zuri Malioboro, Yogyakarta, near from Tugu Station, the railway, and then we have nearby Malioboro area. 5 minutes with walking distance. We have 138 rooms with 5 category. The lowest is the superior, and then deluxe, executive. Next, executive. The room, yeah. Okay. Next, This is a superior with double bed. We have type 2 beds, double bed and then twin bed. Okay, we have 7 rooms for superior, and then second category is deluxe. Deluxe with the room size 24 square meter. We have same twin bed and one bed. After deluxe, we have executive room. We have 8 rooms, shower with bathtub, and then hair dryer inside. Daily mineral water always will refill for the guests. And the next type is executive deluxe. We have 4 rooms, same facility with the others, just the different from the other rooms, only room size. The highest type of room is a junior suite. We have 4 with the living room and the bathroom, and we have a bathtub in the inside. Okay, next we have also 5 meeting room with the many category. Next, this is a Mulia 1. We have for function. We can meeting or wedding or social event. Next, this is a medium meeting rooms, Mulia 2 and Mulia 3. Next, we have small meeting room for 10 people. We call Mulia 4. This is our facility. Serenity Resto, part of our facility is a restaurant with capacities 120 pax. With every morning, you can make a dinner or some private party in our restaurant. This is a breakfast variety in Grenzuri, Malioboro, Yogyakarta. Many traditional. We have signature like gudeg for the meals or main course. The famous one in Yogyakarta. Every day gudeg serve for you. Also jamu. Jamu is a healthy drink, traditional. We also provide every day in our restaurant. Next, this is a variety to every day we have a special menu for serve to our client with traditional, except the gudeg we always change every day with many traditional in Indonesia. For some people cannot eat rice, but we have cereal, must be we have provide for 2. Next, this is one part of the important things in Grenzuri Malioboro is the Zuri Lounge, because Zuri Lounge is special lounge in front of our hotel. Every Saturday we have barbecue or many food in Zuri Lounge. You can order here for the beer or drink, coffee, and food. You can eat at Zuri Lounge. This is a wellness and spa. Spa can order on the room, or you can doing at our spa room. Next, special in Grenzuri swimming pool. We have infinity pool because make it the glass, so you can throw your friend after still swimming in infinity pool. You can breakfast floating of the pool. This is special event. You can make a honeymoon, romantic dinner, and the pool. Next. This is at Zuri Lounge. You can barbecue. Every Saturday we have live music. Next. Thank you very much. If any question, please don't let me know. Thank you.
Okay, Grand Zuri Malioboro, Yogyakarta, that promise a district level of service and facilities. Thank you, Vina, for your presentation.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, next I would like to invite from Horizon Aziza Solo. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah.
Sarah.
Yes.
Okay, Sarah, please present your presentation.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I represent Hotel Horizon Aziza Solo. First, I would like to have a description first about Surakarta itself, or Solo. Surakarta is region nearby Yogyakarta area, because maybe it's not famous than Yogyakarta, but Surakarta is the birthplace of our President Joko Widodo. So some of international events also held in the Surakarta area, such as Paralympic as well. It's also held in the Surakarta. And then for our hotel itself, Horizon Aziza Solo, maybe can to the next presentation. Horizon Aziza Solo is well located in the heart of the Surakarta area. So we have like unique building with the combination of Javanese culture and Arabic style, because we also located in the Arabian village in Surakarta. It's also nearby some place destination that we can showing in the next presentation. But I would like to showing the room. From the room category, in the lowest we have deluxe room with the spacious size 23 meter square, and we have like 85 rooms in the twins and king's bed size. And the most favorite type in our hotel is executive suite, because we have three type of room, three thematic room, Japanese and then colonial and also the modern thematic. But the most favorite usually goes to the Japanese room, the thematic of Japanese, because we are in the Surakarta region as well. The design, we put the wood and the traditional Surakarta carving also inside. And the highest category, we have like Aziza Suite. We combine as well the Arabic style and the traditional Japanese carving as well. The next, we talk about the facilities. So our hotel is 3-star hotels under local chains, Indonesia local chains, called PT Metropolitan Golden Management. So we have our standard, and the Santan restaurant is the standard of Horizon as well. The food and the buffet complete, it's the same in every Horizon standard, in every hotel Horizon in Indonesia. The unique is in our Santan restaurant about the concept, because we are in the Islamic boutique. So we have like halal standard. We guaranteed that the food as well, we 100% with the halal certificate as well. The next facilities is musola, because we are in the Islamic boutique concept. We also provide praying room for the Muslim. And then other facility, we have kids pool, and also 9 meeting rooms with the biggest capacity in our ballroom, Arafah ballroom, is 300 pax. Next. This is the most interesting from our hotel, because we really located in the heart of Surakarta, and some spot of destination only by walking distance, only 5 minutes until to 15 minutes, you can walk around and get this 6 destination or spot. You also can find some culinary original from Solo. We have like sate kere, it's made from tofu, and also we have some angkringan, like for ginger drink in the hot. We serve hot, something like that. So many places in Surakarta and located in nearby our hotel. Maybe that's all from my presentation.
Okay, Sarah. Horizon Aziza Solo, I think it's the perfect hotel for Middle East market, I believe.
Yes, for sure. And also, just for your information, some we have like peak period in the November, and usually on that period we put highest rate because of haul, something like that. So maybe the information about our hotel.
All right. Thank you so much, Sarah, for your presentation. And now I would like to invite Ms. Auxilia Dora Patricia Henrik, the Director of Stad Indonesia Tours and Travel, is a local tour operator in Indonesia since 2013. Located in Yogyakarta, Stad Indonesia operate tour program for all destinations in Indonesia. Dora, it's your time, please.
Thank you, Pak Bondan. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you have still enough spirit to know more about us, especially destination in Yogyakarta and Middle Java. We are Stad Indonesia, tour operator in Yogyakarta. We are established since 2011, actually. Our head office actually in Timor-Leste. We were established in 2002 and started our business in Indonesia 2011. Even though we are located in Yogyakarta, but we can operate all destinations in Indonesia. Next. Okay, this is our service. We provide ticketing, both domestic and international ticket. So if you have your guests come to Indonesia and need domestic ticket, we can help to provide it for you. And also we have a car rental starting from small capacity, from 2 packs until big bus, until 50 seats. And we also provide tour. We have a regular tour, also customized tour program, and we also can provide my service for you. Next. Okay, this is some pictures of our transportation that we always provide for our agent. You can see we have a small capacity for Toyota Innova, also Toyota Hiace for a small group, 10 packs, and also here you can see our bus. The capacity starting from 30 seats until 56. Okay, next I would like to introduce you a bit about Yogyakarta. Maybe some of you never been to Jogja before. Yogyakarta is well known with tourism tourism destination after Bali. Here in Yogyakarta we have some adventure destination. 3 of them, for example, Merapi Lava Tour, Jomblang Cave, and also Pindul Cave Tubing. So for you, if you have a special customer who like to have adventure package, we can provide this kind of package for you. Here are some adventure activities that you can do in Yogyakarta. We have rafting. We also have gondola here that you cannot meet in other destination. Here in Yogyakarta, we have a lot of natural destination. For example, Pule Payung, Kali Biru, we also have sandboarding and also pine forest. So Yogyakarta actually very rich of destination. Here Yogyakarta, well known with cultural city. Here are some attraction that you can find in Yogyakarta: leather puppet show, Ramayana ballet dance, and also classical dance in Royal. This is the most favorite activities in Yogyakarta, also in Joglo Semar area, Jogja, Magelang, Solo. Here you can find Andong tour. Maybe you cannot find it in other destinations. You can ride a horse cart to the village near Borobudur. You can explore the local life there. Also, you also can find the other activities such as playing gamelan, our local traditional instrument, and you can experience how to drawing batik, also making pottery. Okay, this is some of our experiences since 2012. We have client from Singapore, we have a client from Egypt. Also, we had a farm trip for Malaysia agent in 2018. Also, farm trip Russian media and blogger in 2018 also. And we have several mice customer from Indonesia and also from other countries. Here is some of our documentation while we are handling our groups. You can see we handled a study tour for one school from Singapore, also some mice from Malaysia, and you can also find other our experience in our website. Here our contact. You can contact us through our email, dora@startindonesia.id, and also you can reach us to our mobile. You also can send us text by WhatsApp if you need something urgent or you need some information about Yogyakarta and other destination in Indonesia. I think that's all, Mr. Bondan, about our introduction and presentation.
Thank you, Dora.
Thank
Talking
you, Mr.
about
Bondan.
Stats Indonesia means Stats Indonesia provides package tours throughout Indonesia.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bondan.
Okay. Next, I would like to invite Lilin Yuni Astuti as the Directress of Lilin Tours and Travel. That is a company which handles in tourism services. It's founded on October 2014 in Yogyakarta City. It has several business fields as a tour operator, domestic and inbound, hotel reservation, ticketing, and rent car. Ibu Lilin, please, your presentation.
Thank you very much, Mr. Bondan. I will introduce myself, although Mr. Bondan has introduced about me, but maybe I will try once again that my name is Lilin Yuni Astuti, that I have this company since 2014, and we handle inbound and domestic tour, and we have hotel reservation, we have plane ticketing reservation, and we have car rental too for some little small car like Innova, like Hiace, and like Avanza, a kind of that. And we have some tour package special in Yogyakarta, but we provide too for all destination in Indonesia. I think the destination maybe some of my friend, we have same destination here, especially Borobudur Temple, because this is one of Buddhist biggest Buddhist temple in the world, I think. And I think this Buddhist known by many people because this is a very famous. This is a Buddhist temple, and maybe I will not explanation about Borobudur Temple because maybe some of my friend has explanation about it because this is same destination, and this is I have Prambanan too, so we have some tour package. The name is Special Jogja Tour Package 2 day 1 night. This is Borobudur Temple and Prambanan Temple. What is the difference of them? Borobudur is Buddhist temple and Prambanan is Hindu temple. Next. And we have a special Jogja Tour Package 3 days 2 night. We can combine the package Borobudur, Prambanan, and we have Taman Sari Water Castle, and so maybe yes. This is a special Jogja Semarang tour package, 4 days 3 nights. This is we combine two cities, Yogyakarta and Semarang cities, and we can visit Kraton or Sultan Pilis, but in general people call it Kraton. This is the place where the King Jogja stay there with his family. And about Taman Sari Water Castle, this is a kind of garden where the king and his princess usually take time to relax there, and the princess usually take bath there because there is a bathing place for the princess, and so this is one of heritage from Kraton Yogyakarta. And still one again, Sampokong in Yogyakarta. Sorry, this is in Semarang City. Sampokong is the place with Chinese architecture, and this is the place where the Chinese people usually going to pray there, and we can see this place as heritage too. And then we can see the Lawang Sewu. This is Dutch heritage. Lawang Sewu, it means this is an old building that has 1,000 doors at this building, and we can explore this maybe around 1 hour there, so we can go inside there. And the next, the last, before. Okay, and the last we have a tour to Dieng Plateau. This is the place where we can visit some small temples there. This is a Hindu temple too, and we can see Color Lake there. So if the water in the lake get sunlight, usually the color will change. Sometimes this is green, sometimes red, like that, and sometimes blue. So we call the color lake. And we can go there to enjoy sunrise in the early morning. Usually we go to Kunir in Dieng, and it is a very beautiful panoramic. And so we can enjoy the plantation, potato plantation, and there is some tea plantation like that. And this is a very, very nice and interesting places to visit it there.
Okay.
Thank
you very much, Ibu Lilin, with her presentation.
Okay, thank
Well,
you.
ladies and gentlemen, she talked about Dieng Plateau. By the way, you know about Dieng Plateau? The icon of Dieng Plateau said,
Yes.
Dieng Plateau is the misty and the mysterious. If you know about the sunrise of Mount Bromo, then you have to try the sunrise of Sikunir. If you have seen the color lake of Kalimutu, then you have to see the color lake of Dieng Plateau. That's about Dieng Plateau. Again, thank you very much, Ibu Lilin, for her presentation.
You're welcome, Mr. Jongki.
Yep.
See you.
Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, our last presentation for this afternoon, the first session, will be Mr. Dwi Haryanto, marketing of Pikas Kreata. Pikas Kreata traditional resort, special in adventure program such as rafting, jeep tour, camping, outdoor game, with facilities of wooden house and river view resto. So very near to, again, Dieng Plateau. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please have our presentation from Dwi Haryanto, marketing Pikas Kreata.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Before my presentation, I will sorry if my English is bad. If you can understand my English, you can see it translate. Oh, no, just kidding. Okay, introduce myself. My name is Dwi. I am from the Pikas. The Pikas in Indonesia is tempat hiburan enak pinggir Kali Serayu. In English is a fun entertain in beside the Serayu River. That's correct.
Yes.
That's in Banjarnegara, where I can see, in Central Java. Okay. That's company identity. We have name PT. PT in English is LTD maybe.
Yep.
In English.
LTD, yeah.
Yes,
Limited company.
Yes, limited company in English. But in Indonesia is PT, is perseroan terbatas, with brand name the Pikas Adventure Resort, with person responsible Mr. Ahmad Fajar Muharram, and we have address in Kutayasa Village, Madukara District, and Banjarnegara, Central Java.
Okay.
Founded in 2004, we are a pioneer in whitewater rafting on Serayu River, Banjarnegara, Central Java. We are committed to give a new color for the trip. Okay, let's next again.
Next, please.
Next again. This is product and facilities. We have a Dieng, we have a wedding outdoor, river camp, restaurant, outbound training, and paintball. Okay, next. And we have a rafting. Yes, this is a Dieng and rafting. If we say Banjarnegara, you must visit a Dieng. If you search in Google the best sunrise in Southeast Asia, number one is a Sikunir.
Yep.
That's its best sunrise in Southeast Asia, I think. Maybe I think. The exploring Dieng can combine with rafting in Banjarnegara. You can rafting first, so go to Dieng and exploring Dieng, and there is an ancient temple and cave, many cave in there. So next, it's too much. Back to back.
Before that.
Before that. Before that. Before that. Before. 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 Yes. This is rafting. We have a 5 package in rafting. Start from 7 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 14, 16, and 26 kilometer. It include lunch, water mineral, welcome drink, certificate insurance, and transport to Star Point. And next, this is team building and outbound. We know is outbound. Is team building, is training is in one activity done in open space for learning leadership and management skill. This training use unique, simple, and effectively method which is not filed by theories, but it directly applied to everyday element such as a mutual trust and concern for one another, as well as proactive and communicative personality. Okay, next. We have a paintball. We have a slogan in paintball: no pain and no game. That is paintball. Next, we have a jeep tour. Actually, this is not jeep. It's off-road.
Okay, off-road.
We use a small car like a Katana, like Vitara,
yeah,
like
Suzuki,
that.
yeah,
Yeah, Suzuki Katana, Suzuki Vitara. Because the road is too small for jeep, so we use a small car for this off-road. So next, this is a traditional cottage. This is truly traditional. We have no AC, no television, no water heater, and then no entertain anything. There's just frog and yeah, and then just like that. It's just frog and like that. Then this truly traditional and nature in Banjarnegara. Next, we have Resto 2. This is Resto very cheap in Banjarnegara. So next, this is transportation info. It takes 3 hours to get from Yogyakarta International Airport to the Pikas Adventure Resort in Banjarnegara. It takes 4 hours to get from Semarang Airport to the Pikas Adventure Banjarnegara. It takes 2 hours to get Purwokerto train station to the Pikas Adventure Banjarnegara, because in Banjarnegara is no airport and no train station in there. Just landed. Okay, next. This is our info for contact. If you learn more about us, you can visit our website or our email or our social media. Okay, Mr.
Yep. Thank you very much for your nice presentation from Pikas Kreata. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all of our presentation. I thank you very much to you all tourism fellows who has joining our presentation from midday until this afternoon time. Also thank you to Ibu Agustini Rahayu or Ibu Ayu, who is staying tuned from this midday until this afternoon. Also Mr. Paul Edmundus Talo, our chairman. Again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your joining our presentation. This is our last presentation. I am Yongki Adiasa, your host, Retreat. Thank you very much. See you at the time.